In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Meta AI account on mobile. To get started, open the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. In the search bar, look for one of Meta's apps such as Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, or WhatsApp. If the app you want to use is not already installed on your phone, go ahead and download and install it first. This is important because Meta AI is accessed through supported Meta apps rather than through a separate standalone account setup in most cases. Once the app is installed, open it. If you do not already have a Meta account, tap the option that says Create New Account. You'll then be asked to enter basic account details such as your name, your date of birth, and either an email address or a mobile number. After that, create a password for your account. Make sure it's something secure but also something you'll remember easily since you'll need it later to sign in. Next, just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the account creation process. During this part, the app may ask you to verify your email address or phone number. If it does, check for the verification code that was sent to you, then enter that code into the app to confirm your identity. This step helps secure your account and ensures everything is set up properly. After your account has been created, sign into the app using your login details. Once you're inside, it's a good idea to make sure the app is fully updated. To do that, go back to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for the app again, and check whether an update is available. Running the latest version matters because Meta AI features are often added or improved through app updates. When the app is updated, open it again and look for the Meta AI feature. Depending on which Meta app you're using, you may see it in the search bar, inside the chat section, or through a dedicated Meta AI icon. The placement can vary a little, so take a moment to look around if you don't spot it right away. Once you find the Meta AI option, tap it to open a conversation. If you see any prompts asking you to review terms or allow permissions, read through them and accept what's required to continue. At that point, you're ready to start using Meta AI. Just type a question or request into the chat box and send your message. If you don't see the feature yet, it may not be available in your region right now, so try updating the app again later and check back soon.